Best time. You're the best. Best time. And the race is on. Fargo. LSE stats. Danori inside. Unpredictable. Big packet. And Major is the early trailer. From the outside, LSE stats. And running down on the inside. Unpredictable. In between runners. Rising up is Big Packet. Fargo racing in fourth from the outside. And Major. Passing the half-mile post. Big Packet by 3/4 of a line, followed by LSE stats. Unpredictable Fargo. Major is on the outside, taking the third spot and still moving up. Rounding the far turn, Big Packet. Major is on the outside. LSE stats. Fargo and Unpredictable is now running at the tail of the field as the action swing towards the long Nike stretch run with Major is now the leader. Big Packet down on the inside. Fargo and Unpredictable. Major once again is Big Packet by Darrell and Fargo. Major, Fargo is on the outside. Major, Fargo, and finally, Major, Fargo, Big Packet, LSE stats, and Unpredictable comes last.